All right, so we're going to look at three different ways to multiply a single-digit number times a 2 or 3-digit or even 4-digit number today. On the Unit 4 test, I want the kids to know how to do at least 2 of the 3 methods so that they can work the problem once and then work it again to make sure their answers match. So they have more than one way of doing it. It's a good way to check your work. So in a problem such as, let's say, 56 times 3. I'd go ahead and I would divide my whiteboard into thirds. I'm going to make the first section a little smaller because I don't need quite as much room for that. Then I'm going to do our traditional method over here, which is just lining them up like this and multiplying. 6 times 3, 18. Carry the group of 10. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 168. And then I'm going to pick one of the other two methods. I'll go ahead and I'll do that the box with the partial products, the partial product rectangle method here. There's only going to need to be one row of numbers because that's a single digit, so I'll just put my 3 here. And then there are 2 digits here, and I divide it by place value, so a 5 in the tens place is 50, a 6 in the ones place is 6. So I think of it kind of the way I think of expanded form when I'm thinking of this way, because I'm basically just taking 3 times each of the place value spots. So 3 times 5 is 15, and there's 1 0, so that's 150. 3 times 6 is 18, and then I just add them together. 150 plus 18 is 168, and it matches that, so I'm pretty sure I'm right. And then the other method would be the lattice method. I keep making bigger rectangles because I'm used to doing 2 by 2 numbers, but again, there's a single digit, so I'm going to divide this into just one row with 2 boxes. Instead of breaking up by place value with the actual value, I'm just going to put the digit in each place value up there. I'm going to put the 3, it gets the whole row. I have to divide diagonally, and then it's just a matter of multiplying. I will take the 3 times the 5 and put the tens place there, the ones place there. And 6 times 3, I'll put it like that. And then I'm going to add down these diagonals. So 8 is just 8, there's nothing there. This one is 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 1 is just 1. So this one is also 168. So again, for the test, I don't care which of the two methods the kids use. They will need to know how to do both of these methods right here, the lattice method and the partial product, the rectangle method. They'll need to know that both those when they do 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. We do not do the traditional yet for 2-digit by 2 digits. So, but for single digit times 2-digit or single digit times 3-digit, they would just go ahead and they could pick whichever two methods they felt most comfortable with.